You can't go on the iPad mode. That just hurt my thumb. Hey guys, back on my channel. Today I have Samantha. Today we are going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. Why would you say that? Wow, now you don't know when to go on. I'm not. I know it. So, let's get started. They can't see us. Yes, they can. I'm saying they can't see what we got. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. I know what to do. I do it all the time with my phone. My phone's just like yours. Okay. Eyes closed. Bring it closer. Let me see it. Let me see it. No, we don't need that. I have a pop socket. Oh. Then they just see our faces. Okay, that's fine. I get to pick this. Okay, heads up. So we decided that, let's see. You want me to like hold it? Okay. That I get to decide, so I get to pick. Get to peek. You know which one it is, right? So you can tell if it's the bad or not. Go ahead. And then I want to cheat. Because you told me the rules. Yay, I got such a good slime. Yeah, these are both good. No, you got the bad one. It's the one that gets glitter all over your hands. Oh. Okay. I got the good I would say she gets a half point because it's still good slime. Yeah, she gets a half point. Okay, so Samantha gets 1 point. Alexia gets a half a point. Okay. Next round. Put slimes, all please. These slimes are galaxy slimes because we made them yesterday. Yeah. Don't forget to check out our other video that we're making another batch of slime later on. Next time we come, Alexia, bring all your slime so we can do it. I'm not bringing all my slime. Don't bring all of them. Just bring the good ones. Like bring one good one and like one bad one. They looked all good when you showed them all the slime. We're waiting. Okay, let's go, girls. I still have a little bit of slime. So we're gonna show you guys the nail polishes for our video that's coming up soon. Later. The nail polishes are now coming in to show you. They're all unicorn colors except for they're gray. All mermaid and unicorns and rainbow. Didn't even get started, but that's okay. We'll show them to you later. We'll show you guys later. Hey guys, after this video, after this video, I get to do it with Lexi. Samantha gets to do it. Okay, and then we can ask if we can make a batch of slime. Okay, your dish. Okay, the next round, I'm going to be putting the slimes in. Okay, there's yours. Okay, I get to peek. Let's go yours. I get to peek. You have glitter all over your face. Yay! I got a good slime. I get the same slime. Every single round. Every single round. Yeah, you look in the bathroom. They have glitter. Every single time we play this game. No, don't squeeze it like that. No, it's gonna make it even worse. I always get the same slime. It's gonna make it even worse. This is like so many. This is Alexi's slime. Yeah. Give me my slime. Okay, next round. See? Me and Smith are switching spots. Come on. No. Here, we'll just scoot them. We scoot them over and you're saying that we scoot them over here. Okay. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be looking at the slimes. Not the rest of the video. I feel the wood is pushing my bottom. What's the matter? I can't wait to paint right now. What's up with you? Wow, we're waiting because we're so bored. Did I take this long?
Yeah, kind of. Stop. I'm trying to spin them so they're all spinning at the same time.
Yeah. Now it's working. I didn't get to peek at all though. Yeah, but you get to go next. No peeking. Here you go. You may open your eyes. Issa, close your eyes. Show them if it's a good or bad slime. Just don't show them it. Just give them a thumbs down or thumbs up. Ready?
Yeah.
Keep.
No, I want this one.
Lexi gets a point. I knew it. Next round. Next round. Next
Take
round.
on me. I got a point. I got 2 points.
I thought you got the good one, but then you're like, oh, keep it.
I should have been like, no, I don't want it.
I'm
I
still
don't want
hungry.
I want soda. I'm thirsty.
I want soda.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Get a drink. I'm gonna go get us some Capri Suns.
Yeah, go get us some Capri Suns. Wait, she's coming in. Spell something.
There's a refrigerator. We're getting us Capri Suns because we're thirsty.
Okay, guys.
My cousin just got mad at me. My turn to peek. Hey, Lexi, close your eyes. Sam, come. Close your eyes. Okay, you may open.
Okay.
Sorry if you see glitter all over Lexi's face. I can't see it. But there is glitter all over your face.
This one is hotter. So.
Issa gets a point. I get the point. Lexi gets a half a point because it's still good.
But this one I thought was a good vibe.
But it's just really gets glitter all over the place.
Give me.
Here. Put it back in the box.
Next round.
Next round, people.
Next round.
Guys, I'm going to set my camera over there so you guys can see what I'm doing.
Sorry about that. That's just my phone going off. I use it for my camera.
You use it for your camera?
My
Whenever I have
GoPro.
like 1,000 juice boxes, I get hyper. Nice. I'm actually kind of tired. All I want to do right now is go swimming, right? Do you want to go swimming? Yeah, go in the bathroom while we're waiting. Like,
Okay, I'm gonna go look at. There's so much glitter on my face.
it shines. You can see more of it in the bathroom.
Okay, guys, let's go. I want to show you how much glitter
I'll put on our plates on the TV.
I have so much glitter on my face. Can you guys see all this glitter?
Look, you can see in the mirror.
Like, look at the mirror. Like, look at that. I have so much glitter on my face. So, yeah. I should really wash my face right now because it's actually really itchy.
There's no toilet paper in there. Go into the bathroom.
Okay. So, There we go.
There should be toilet paper in here.
Nope.
Oh, there's a clean.
Okay. So while we're waiting and waiting, 10 hours later.
Because Samantha's using the bathroom.
10 hours later. Okay, guys, we'll be right back.
I just spit it out and I threw up, but I came up so hard.
Okay, guys, we are back. Got a new camera set up.
Hello?
So-
If you didn't see that, the camera wasn't on, but I just choked on my juice. And I just go like this. I might give you guys both. Seriously. I might give you guys both 2 slimes.
No!
No, because you guys have to pick out one dish. He's uncomfortable.
No, because I don't want to mix the slimes.
I'll go back to you. I'll go get 2 dishes like this. With 1 slime and 2. Why'd you say 2 dishes? Dishes. We've been using 2 dishes. No, you don't get it then, Isabella.
We both got 2 slimes, but in different dishes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And we get to keep it. We want to keep them or switch them. And I get to pick.
She said that you get to pick one. Hello Kitty
I get to
container
keep.
part thingy material. I know which one is yours. Isabella has more glitter.
Here, take my leg.
No, it's okay. I don't need your glitter. Yes, I need to separate them for
Excuse me. Sorry. What if that was a real person?
Bye guys.
Stop. Don't throw down my phone.
It's
Stop.
silver, people. I love silver. I eat silver gold.
Do you see all the sparkles?
Who wants to see the sparkle? Interesting people. Put the camera down. Dish number 1 is coming. There's dish number 1.
Dish number 2 is coming.
Okay, let's wait, don't open it yet. Wait. Dish number 2 is coming. Hey. Dish number 2.
I went with this.
You had
I
this?
didn't see it.
Dish number 2. Okay.
I get to peek it.
Oh, no, wait. Pick what dish you want, and the dish you did not pick is going to be for the next round. I'm gonna do this one because it's more cleaner. Hey, that's just for the next round.
I'm gonna do this one.
Oh,
This one's
Isabella, you just
lighter.
saw. I need to. Hey, you're gonna make me see my.
This one's lighter, so I
Yeah,
think
this
it's
is really
really
light.
light.
Call me when you guys are done. I peek. I think I'm gonna keep. I get the point.
Get it probably get the point anyways because the other one was the horrible trainer. But now she's training because I already saw it. Excuse me. Because I'll say she's training it right now because I saw it. If you get the blue one, I'm gonna keep.
Are you guys done?
Yeah. I got half
No, we
point.
made a gloopy mess.
I got half point.
Dish number 2 is here.
You're not allowed to peek in them.
No, I have to.
But she's allowed to peek in them because she's the one that put them in there.
Okay, the other ones.
Bye bye.
Why is he that? Stop.
Sounds like macaroni.
Like the string of the
I'm just looking at all this glitter on your face.
Why are you taking our next ramble? Everything just fell. No, she just farted. Excuse me. I'm putting the other slimes back into the container.
Okay.
I'm coming, wait. Wait for me. Dish number 2 is coming. Dish number 2, guys. Dish number 2. Not Stevie. I see you guys. I see your guys' slides. Boom! Boom! Your dish is ready.
Okay, I get to peek. I'm peeking. I'm ready.
I think I'm gonna keep. Yeah! I get the pie! I get the pie! Hey guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. I like this one better because it's lighter. I get 2 points!
You only get 1.
Well, Bella got the point. So I have 3 points already. I won the
You
last
only
round.
have 2. You have 2.
Yeah, I have 2 points.
I have 2.5.
So she's in the lead.
So you don't have to be mad.
But
Say look at their slime.
they're both horrible. Like what? So she thinks hers not horrible. Like hers not even. Next round is coming up. Oh, can you see your dishes? Stop hiding from me, and I see you. You can come out. I know where you are. You're behind the chair. I see you, Lexi. Spell, get out. I'm not doing it. Oh, such a big mess. Boom. I'm tricking you guys. So watch out. It's going to be a good one. There we go. Next dish.
I know you see me. I didn't want to hide. I was just a. By the way, come here.
Come out to stall. Okay, next dish.
Okay.
No, it's my turn to pee.
I don't care.
Talking in my sleep and I'm making myself crazy.
Yes.
Too many times. Too many times. I win. Yes, 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 yes.
No,
This song is better than that song.
I
It's the
win.
point.
I win because I got got this one and that one gets glitter all over.
Yeah, but this one's good.
I get the full point, not a half
Good.
point.
I get the point. Well, she's the
You get
girl.
half point.
Who gets the point? You get half a point because every time you get that slime, you always get a half a point. But now she has 3.5 points.
No, I have 3 points.
Isa. But Isa, whenever you get that slime, you get. I didn't know. But it's better than that slime. That's it. Doesn't even stretch, and this one does. Because we've been doing this slime so many. Yeah, I'm not playing anymore because like we've been doing this all morning.
Not all morning. Samantha, come here.
You have to come get the slimes.
No, because we're done.
Talking and not sleeping night. I'm recording.
Stop. No.
It's off. It's off. Here.
Okay, guys. Now we are going to end the video here. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video.
Come on. What was that?
Come here.
I don't know.